This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Gemini Express Espresso Maker. First, let's get it set up. Unpack your machine and find a stable spot on your counter. Make sure all parts, like the water tank and portafilter, are there. Then, fill the water tank with fresh, filtered water up to the maximum fill line. This ensures the best taste for your espresso. Now, let's talk about your coffee. For the best espresso, always use freshly roasted beans. Grind them finely, like table salt, for proper extraction. Aim for about 18 to 20 grams of ground coffee in your portafilter. This precise amount helps create a rich, balanced shot with beautiful crema. Next, it's time to tamp and brew. Tamp your coffee grounds evenly with firm, consistent pressure, around 30 pounds. This creates a compact puck for even water flow. Securely lock the portafilter into the group head. Then, press the brew button and let it extract for 25 to 30 seconds for a perfect double shot. Finally, let's master milk steaming and keep your machine clean. Always purge the steam wand briefly before steaming. Steam cold milk until it reaches a silky, microfoam texture, perfect for your favorite milk-based drinks. Remember to clean the portafilter and wipe down the steam wand right after every use to maintain your Gemini Express.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.